We begin tonight with a changing of the guard at General Electric. Chief Executive Jeff Immelt will end his tenure this summer after nearly 17 years. Immelt engineered a shift in the industrial company's focus, but was under pressure to increase the price of the stock, which is widely owned by long-term investors and mutual funds. Taking over the top job is GE veteran John Flannery, who heads up GE's healthcare division. Investors like the news, sending shares up 3.5%. Brennan has more on the future of GE, a company that was an original member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average.
The change at the top of General Electric comes after 16 years. Over that time, there have been many grumblings about the stock price, a fact that hasn't eluded the man soon to be in charge.
No one's happy with the stock price right now, or some of the cash, pictures that we've had. We know we can be better at those things. I want to focus on those things. So I'm going to do basically what I've done in the healthcare business. Spend a lot of time early on with investors, with customers, with employees, listening, hearing what people think about the company.
John Flannery is a 30-year GE veteran. He's held a number of top posts, including most recently head of healthcare, where he turned around the flagging business. Analysts say on the heels of some disappointing financial metrics, the key will be how he plans to grow the company.
We're really looking for Mr. Flannery to take a deep dive in the business and really lay out the strategies and where the growth's going to come from, help reassure us on the cash flow, cash generation, and we'd also like to see some more information on just where the capital is going to be spent, capital allocation.
It also caps a dramatic 16-year tenure for Jeff Immelt, one that's included the 9/11 terrorist attacks, the financial crisis, and a flurry of deal activity that's fundamentally transformed the Dow component. In 2001, GE derived nearly half its profit from its financial arm. Today, thanks to Immelt, roughly 90% comes from industrial businesses instead.
He's engineered a tremendous strategic change in this company to move away from being a bank, which it was moving towards when Welch turned over the reins in 2001, and emphasizing high-tech and much more innovation, and that takes time. Now, 16 years is a long time, so if I were to be critical, I'd say move too slowly, had to navigate two major crises, but it's going to be up to John Flannery to prove that all these strategies are going to work.
But the stock has performed poorly, down nearly 30% since Immelt took the helm in 2001, and lagging this year on concerns about cash flow and whether GE can reach its 2018 earnings target. But shares did jump today, even as management added some levity to a high-stakes scenario.
Which talent would you most like to have?
Blues guitarist or dunk a basketball. Okay. Far off on both of those.
Or maybe. Oh,
yeah. I've gotten over that.
I was hoping for be a great CEO of GE.
I thought you already felt that way.
No.
Okay, so can I do this over again?
For Nightly Business Report, I'm Brennan.